Is your music library filled with messy file names, missing album information, or unorganized folders? MusicBrainz Picard can automatically identify your music, update metadata, rename files, and organize your entire collection into a clean folder structure. In this guide, I'll show you how to organize your music library with MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Add Folder. Browse to the folder that contains your music library or album collection, select it, and let the application load your audio files. Importing complete album folders usually gives the best identification results. Next, select the imported files and click Lookup. MusicBrainz Picard searches the MusicBrainz database using the existing tags. If the metadata is incomplete or incorrect, click Scan instead. Scan uses acoustic fingerprints to recognize songs even when file names and tags are inaccurate. Now open Options and go to the file naming settings. Enable Rename Files if you want your songs to receive consistent names. Then enable Move Files and choose your preferred destination folder and naming pattern. Yes, you can organize your music by artist, album, year, track number, or another format that fits your library. Review the matched albums to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save. MusicBrainz Picard will update the metadata, rename your files, and move them into the organized folder structure you've selected. Finally, open your music folder in File Explorer and review the results. You'll see your songs organized into clearly named folders with accurate metadata and consistent file names, making your collection much easier to browse and maintain. And that's how to organize your music library with MusicBrainz Picard. By combining accurate metadata, automatic file renaming, and smart folder organization, you can keep your entire music collection clean, searchable, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.